Chloe Cooley's life began in the shadows of injustice, as she was born into the harsh reality of slavery in Upper Canada, which is now Ontario, during the late 18th century. Hers was a life marked by resilience, determination, and a fierce pursuit of freedom, leaving an indelible mark on the history of Canada and the fight against the institution of slavery. Chloe was born to an enslaved mother, and from a young age, she experienced the harsh conditions of servitude, where the rights and dignity of Black individuals were stripped away by the system that saw them as property rather than people. Her early years were filled with hard labor and the constant fear of being separated from her family, as slaveholders had the power to buy, sell, or lease enslaved individuals at their whim. As Chloe grew older, she became aware of the injustices around her, and the desire for a life of freedom burned within her heart. She witnessed the struggles of her fellow enslaved people, the whispers of resilience that echoed through their community, and the courage it took to dream of a life outside of the confines of bondage. Chloe understood that change would not come easily, but she was determined to play her part. The turning point in Chloe's life came in the year 1793, when she was just 30 years old. On a fateful day in March, Chloe's owner, Sergeant Adam Vrooman, made the chilling decision to sell her to a new owner in the United States. Realizing this would likely lead to the separation from her family, Chloe refused to be taken quietly. In a bold and courageous act, she fought back with all her might, drawing the attention and concern of a local Quaker, Peter Martin. Peter Martin, an abolitionist, was deeply disturbed by the scene before him and the injustice of the situation. He believed in the rights and dignity of all individuals, regardless of their race, and he could not stand by as Chloe faced this cruel fate. Recognizing the urgency of the situation, he immediately sought legal action to challenge the sale. Peter Martin's actions resulted in the historic court case that reverberated through Upper Canada and beyond. The trial, while ultimately not successful in securing Chloe's immediate freedom, brought much-needed attention to the horrors of slavery in Upper Canada and ignited public debate on the subject. It was a pivotal moment in the country's history, and Chloe Cooley became a symbol of resistance and the fight for justice. Although Chloe did not experience freedom in her lifetime, her bravery and the legal battle sparked by her struggle helped to pave the way for the passing of the Act to Limit Slavery in Upper Canada, Canada's only anti-slavery legislation. Chloe Cooley was named a Canadian National Historic Person in 2002 and was honored on a postage stamp in 2023. To Miss Chloe Cooley, we proudly stand on your shoulders. For more information, please visit my website at www.ontheshoulders1.com. There, you can support my OTSOG book series. You can also support me on Patreon at patreon.com/OTSOG. And you can hit the super like button under this video. I love you all, and make sure you catch the next video coming up.